Hi everyone and welcome back to Big Mama's Garden. I'm trying to hurry up and get my sweet potato slips into my grow bags. I've been lacking on getting this out. I should have got it out last week, but I decided to go on vacation and have a relaxing time. But I gotta hurry up and get these in today and get my uh, sweet potatoes started growing. I went and got me some of those grow bags from Dollar Tree that Broke Farmer and Back to Our Roots Homestead has suggested to get and use. And they like they make these pretty good. I'm gonna try them out to see. I got all my soil in them. Now all I gotta do is separate my slips. I think I'm gonna put about maybe 5 in each container. I have about 8 bags, so that should be 40 slips. I should have 40 slips in here. And I'm gonna go ahead and separate them and then put them in each one of the bags, the 5 in each one of the bags, and get ready to plant these sweet potato slips. Okay, I have all the sweet potato slips separated in each grow bag. I put 5 in each bag. Look at those beautiful roots on those sweet potato slips. Look at that. Look at that. Now I gotta push all the slips, the roots, get the roots all down in the soil. And let them start the process of growing some big and beautiful sweet potatoes. It's getting dark out here, so I gotta hurry up. Came after work trying to get in this garden and work these slips here. Okay, let's see if I'm gonna be able to get this here down like I want it. Let's see, I have to push it down like that. Okay. Okay, got one in there. Let's see. Come on, get down in that soil. Enjoy that soil. Your new home. Okay. Look at these roots. Okay. Roots down up underneath that dirt. Okay. This hole here and put you down in. Okay, come on, sweet potato slips. Okay, let's see. Let's put you in the middle here. Okay, sweet potato slips. Let's see. Get all of y'all roots underneath that soil. Oh, there's some big sweet potatoes. Okay. Okay. Make sure y'all down deep in that soil. I'm gonna cover them with some straw. Be able to keep the moisture in here so they don't dry out. Come on, sweet potatoes. Okay, look like one bag done. Okay, let me get to the next ones. Okay, I have all my sweet potato slips in the bags. Now all I gotta do is add some straw on top of them. And they'll be ready to start growing. Y'all looking good, sweet potato slips. Come on, grow me some big sweet potatoes. Looking good. Out here in the dark. Planting my sweet potato slips. Got my little lantern with me, trying to see in the dark. I even have my little bug candles out here around me. Keep the mosquitoes off of me. Okay, I placed all the straw in all my grow bags on top of the sweet potato slips. Help keep moisture in there and to try to protect them from getting burned out from the hot sun beaming down on them. Okay, sweet potato slips. Start growing some beautiful sweet potatoes for us. Good mama's garden. Okay, sweet potato slips, come on, do your job and grow those sweet potatoes for us. Y'all look nice in your bags. Let's see if these Dollar Tree bags gonna work this season.